Hi there. This is a video about node-to-node networking in Kubernetes, specifically how one pod can communicate with another pod on another node. Before we start, let's recap on what we learned last time about how we connect between pods on the same host. Firstly, the pod sends its data across the Veth pair and over to the bridge. If the bridge ARP fails, and there isn't a connected device with the corresponding MAC address for the IP data that's come in through the data frame, then it will go along the default route. The default route is ETH0 in this scenario. What happens now, typically, is that the IP address that is trying to be hit from the origin pod, the destination, will be resolvable and understood in the cluster network topology. The reason this is a little bit nebulous in this video is that this is implementation specific. And the implementations we will talk a little around in a subsequent video around CNI, or cluster network interfacing. Once the data has gone through the cluster network and has been correctly sent to the corresponding node, it will be the same journey on the inverse, where it will be received through its Ethernet device. It will then go through the same journey for the Veth pair across the network, the namespace, and then into the target pod and target container. And that is how this journey is completed. What we're going to talk about in the next video is cluster network namespacing, cluster network interfaces, and how this can be implemented across cloud and on-premise providers. Thank you.